I see someone is here. So hello, welcome. My name is LaQuita Jackson with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me for my Wednesday Facebook Live this week. If you are here, make sure that you say hello so that I can say hello to you back. I'm happy to be back with you guys. Last week I was doing some traveling, so I was not able to be live. So I'm glad to be back this week. Hi Irene. Hi Sharon. So I see some of you are popping in. Hello. Happy Wednesday. I hope everyone has had a great day so far. I have. My day's going well. It's been busy. As you can see, lots of creating has been happening. It's a mess. I was going to clean it up a little bit, and then I said, there's no point because I have so much more to still do, and so I'll just leave it. And this is what it looks like when I create. So thank you, Irene, for sharing the video. So don't forget to share the video, comment below when you've done that to be entered in for a chance to win a prize. So let's go ahead and jump right in and get started. I see a few of you are here. I think I already said hello, Sharon. I can't remember if I said hello, but hey, friend. If I didn't say hello to you, hey, friend. Yeah, this is probably what it looks like for a lot of people, right? It's pretty messy, and you can't even see this side. This side's a mess too, so oh well. I still have so much to do, so I just left it. I'm drinking some coffee today, by the way, in my new Purple Rain mug that my mom brought me back from Minnesota. She just got back from Minnesota on Monday. Okay. Couldn't remember. Oh, man. Okay, good. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll announce the winner for the prize patrol that we had 2 weeks ago. So again, thank you so much for sharing the video. I really appreciate that, you guys. So I entered everyone's name in who shared the video and left a comment that they shared it. And the winner is Rachel S. So congratulations to Rachel. I have the Pretty Thankful stamp set for you. This is basically a brand new stamp set. I only used one image, those little bitty balloons, so it's pretty much new. So I have this stamp set for you, Rachel. I do already have your address, so I will get that sent out to you. So thank you so much. Congratulations to you. All right, and also I want to say thank you to everyone who's already shopped with me this month for the month of June. I know so many of you were so excited about the new catalog, so thank you so much to everyone who has placed an order. And don't forget, if you'd like to receive a complimentary copy of the new catalog from me, all you have to do is place an order of absolutely any size, and I will get one in the mail to you. So thank you again to everyone who's already shopped with me. I really appreciate you guys, more than you know. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and flip you around. Let's get started. I have a fun fold card for you guys today, so I'm excited to share that with you. So I'm going to flip you, and yeah, we'll jump right in. Okay, so today we're going to, so what I've been doing, those of you that follow my blog and follow me here on Facebook, you've probably been seeing the projects that I've been posting. I've actually been showcasing our new designer series paper on all of my projects, just really making the paper the focal point, because the designer papers in this new catalog are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, they are so beautiful. So I'm having so much fun using them, but today we're going to use this one. So this is the Perennial Essence Designer Series paper. So this one is actually from a suite in the catalog. Let me see. I do have a catalog video coming out either tomorrow or Friday, hopefully tomorrow. So Perennial Essence is 106. Beautiful suite. 106, yeah, here we go. I don't have the stamp set or the punch yet, but it's on my list. But this is the suite, so you've got a bundle with the stamp set and the punch, the Floral Essence stamp set, and then some embellishments, this fun vellum cardstock. You can see the stamp set here and the gorgeous paper. So I was going to show you the paper up close. It's beautiful. Hi, Carol. Hello, welcome. I'm glad you're here. So those of you that purchased the paper share from me, the paper should be arriving today. UPS is supposed to deliver it. You'll be getting a sample of this. So you can see, look how beautiful this is. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it just, like, the look of the depth of the painting. This is inspired by an artist. I can't remember the name of the artist. If you know, leave it in the comments. But It's just gorgeous, and you can actually like see like the paint just on there. I don't know how to explain it. It's so pretty. I love it. I mean, my goodness. Definitely my favorite designer paper in the catalog. So pretty. And there are all the different patterns. It's just gorgeous. Can't get enough of it. Okay, so I'm excited to use that on today's project, and I'm pairing that designer paper with the beautiful Promenade stamp set, and I am using a couple of the dies as well that coordinate with this stamp set. So the dies are called the Beautiful Layers dies. So I love this stamp set. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let me give you a little sneak peek though of the fun fold. I don't know if there's a name for this fold, but here it is, fun fold. So this is what we're gonna make, but we're changing up the colors a little bit, as you can see. But isn't this so pretty? I just love this, and what a fun, different way to receive a card. You know, it's nice to kind of change things up from the standard way that we create cards. So I love this. So for this one, I used Petal Pink, Blackberry Bliss, and this blue is Balmy Blue. And then this is Mossy Meadow, and then of course Blackberry Bliss again here. So we're gonna change up the colors a little bit for the one in the video. Hi Maria, hello. Yes, I love this suite. Thank you, Maria. Okay, so let's jump right in and start with some Stampin'. Alrighty, so I've got this piece of Whisper White, and I die cut this. I used the layering oval framelits, which I thought, oh my gosh, I haven't used these in forever. I've been using all of our stitched dies because they are just my favorite. So I used the layering oval dies to die cut this oval here. Actually, I don't know if I want to stamp on that yet. I'm going to wait just a second. I'm going to stamp my flower first, and then I'll decide what I want to do on that one. So let me bring in my piercing mat just to get a good impression, some scratch paper here, and then I've got a scrap piece of Whisper White, and I am going to stamp the flower in Bermuda Bay and Crushed Curry ink this time. So I'm going to start with Bermuda Bay, and for the first layer, so this is a two-step stamp set, so it just means you're layering two images together. So I'm just going to stamp that Bermuda Bay full strength. And then let me close this. Am I closing this? Yes, I'm closing this. Nope, I'm not closing that. Actually, I'm going to leave that out because I want to stamp on my envelope. I had gotten out the flower. Oh no, I thought I got the flower out. Oh, here it is. I did. I'm going to stamp this little flower here on the envelope. Thought this would be cute. Just a simple little image. Yeah, that's really cute. So we'll put that there on the envelope. Now I can put the Bermuda Bay away. And I might as well actually put it all the way away. Why not? Okay, so there's that. Then I'm going to come back to this piece and stamp the second layer of this image in Crushed Curry. Such a good mustard yellow. Love it. And Crushed Curry and Bermuda Bay have sort of a very retro look to me when you pair these two together. Love it. So I'm just lining that up. That's the beauty of photopolymer. You can see right through and stamp right on top for perfect placement. So you can see, doesn't that have kind of a retro vibe going on with that Bermuda Bay and Crushed Curry? Love that look. And then, let me see. I'm going to bring in my oval here, and I'm trying to decide. On the sample, I did the sentiment that says, "You're stronger than most." I love that sentiment, but I'm thinking I might do the "You're my everything" for this one. So I'll go ahead and stamp "You're my everything" in Crushed Curry. Right there, that looks good. And then I am going to die cut this image using those coordinating dies. Now, because my desk is such a mess, I don't think I can fit my big shot over here. So I'm just gonna go die cut this really quickly. It's right behind me Yep, line that up, die cut it. I'll be right back. Okay, quick and easy. Ooh, that's really pretty. I really like those colors together. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to stamp a few leaves in Mossy Meadow. And let's see, and I'm going to be stamping them off a little bit. Let's see, I might do one. Just going to use my flower as a guide here. I'll do one there, ink that up, stamp off, and I'll go ahead and throw this here. And then, I'm going to do one more, stamp off. Maybe I'll put it right about there, just like that. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. That looks very cute. And then what I did is I die cut this detailed leaf already out of Mossy Meadow. If I can pick it up here. There we go. And I am just going to pop that down with a glue dot. Okay. And we'll just throw that right in between those two. Perfect. And then I'll pop my little flower up with dimensionals. Just put a couple of dimensionals down here towards the bottom. And we'll just pop this. Let me see. Oh, I'm gonna have to cover up a little piece of that leaf because my glue dot is showing. Well, maybe it'll be okay. No, let me scoot it down a little bit more. Hi, Deborah. Hey, friend. I think I scooted it down. I may not have. Yeah, that looks cute. I like that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put some snail on the back here. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I know this designer paper is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love with it. Okay, so we'll just put this right here. I am loving these colors together. Holy smokes. Okay, so there's that. So now let's start building up this card. So I think I don't need those pieces anymore. I do need these dimensionals again. Okay, so what I have got here, so for the base of the card, this is a piece of Blackberry Bliss. This is cut 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches. Then I've got a piece of crushed curry cardstock. This is 5 1/4 inches by 6 3/4 inches. So this will all be on the blog post, and I'll get that post up. That will for sure go up by Friday. Again, so I said 5 1/4 by 6 3/4, scored at 4 inches. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and fold this over, get my bone folder here. Now, I want this to stay adhered really well, so I am going to use tear and tape since this is going to be a card that you manipulate. I don't want it to, you know, come loose, and with the Texas heat, snail adhesive sometimes just doesn't cut it. So I'll just put a few strips of, well, the heat and the humidity, just that snail won't make it for something like this. Oh my gosh, that's so funny you noticed that, Deborah, because I actually talked to my team about that a really long time ago, because this I've gotten better, because I used to actually only be able to take them off, well, and I still kind of do. Like, you can see one's missing there, but I would go one row at a time. Like, I couldn't pull a dimensional here and then pull a dimensional up here. That would make me crazy. I would take them off in order. So I've gotten better, because look, some are missing here and one's missing there. That's so funny that you noticed that. We had to talk about that a long time ago, because I was just so weird about it. I couldn't
couldn't remove them out of order. I don't know why. And I'm trying not to think about it, but apparently I still do it in order. I just can't break myself of doing it. That's so funny. Okay, so we'll just put this down in the center. Right there should be good. Okay, so then our designer paper, gosh, I just love this. This piece is cut 2.5 inches by 5 inches, and I'll just adhere that right there with the good old snail. Oh, that is so funny. Yeah, I'm kind of weird about those dimensionals. Okay, so we've got that, and then for the inside, I'm going to go ahead and put this piece of Whisper White. So this is 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches. Ah, get off of there. Again, snail. I mean, this card comes together so quickly, and it, you know, looks pretty fancy, but look how quickly we're putting it together. I've been on a simple card kick, so this is the first, like, more steps I've been using. I don't even know if that made sense, but the most steps I've used to create a card in the past couple of weeks because I've been keeping them simple. Okay, so I'm just going to put 3 dimensionals at the top of the scallop. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is so cute. I love these colors. Oh my gosh, love it. Okay, there it is, you guys, look, that's it. That's the card. Wow, I love these colors. Okay, so let me move the old snail out of the way, move the tear and tape, move the dimensionals. I love this card. Where did I put my envelope? Okay, so there it is. Look at that. And how fun is that? Just a nice, different way to make a card. I love it. This designer paper and paired with the beautiful Promenade stamp set, amazing. So, you know, you don't have to always have everything that seems so new, right? This is a stamp set that carried over, paired with some things that are new. Love it. I love it. Okay, and then let me bring in the, whoops, the original, and there it is. Okay, I'd love to know which one is your favorite. Do you prefer Blackberry Bliss and Petal Pink, or Blackberry Bliss and Crushed Curry? Let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you guys like this card. I love it. So fun. Okay, thank you. Yes, simple, but exactly. It's just enough to like add a little flair to it. Love it. Thank you. I'm so glad you guys like it. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick flip. Sorry, I dropped a bunch of stuff on the floor. Such a mess in here. I'm going to give you a quick flip. Okay, yay! Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you had fun. I know that was super quick project, but I really love it. So if you're just joining, this is what we made. I can't remember how to flip the camera thing around, so I know this is backwards for you. If I could remember, I have to practice again. So this is the one we made, and then this is the sample. So thank you. Thanks, Linda. Thank you, thank you. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Again, I hope you had fun, and I will be back with you guys next week for Wednesday's Facebook Live. I will see y'all then. So thanks so much. Have a great Wednesday, and enjoy the rest of your week. I'll talk to y'all very soon. Bye. Bye-bye.